This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get paragraphs to appear one by one in Google Slides. Here I have a presentation in Google Slides, and I would like my paragraphs in this story to appear one by one. This is how you do that. Click on the text box that contains the text that you want to appear by paragraph one by one. Then in the upper right-hand corner, click Animate. If you have a smaller screen, you will see 3 dots on the edge. Click that, and then the menus that do not fit at the top will appear. So we're going to click Animate, and then by default, the object animation for this animation is appear on click. Here you can change how your text box appears, and I'm just going to stick with appear for now, and I want it to appear on the click. Now, if that's all I do, this is what's going to happen. Everything will appear at once. However, if I want one paragraph to show up at a time, what you need to do is you need to select this box down here that says by paragraph. And when you do that, now your paragraphs will appear one by one. This is not limited to paragraphs. This will also work with bullet points, number lists, etc. So this video shows you how to get your paragraphs in Google Slides to appear one by one. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.